The eternal recurrence of the same in Nietzsche, Friedrich, according to several of his texts at least. Some of the texts, one is at pains to maintain a consistent understanding of, but somehow certain of the teachings of Nietzsche seem to stand out, just as in the dialogues of Plato, which could just as well on the whole be called the dialogues of Socrates. Certain teachings seem to be the ones that are meant to be regarded as the strongest, or perhaps which simply are the strongest, and which therefore shown in the light of Socrates, Plato, reveal themselves as the strongest. We have certain parts of Nietzsche which seem to show themselves as as it were, echt, or genuine, or true, or real, or real teachings of Nietzsche. And amongst those, we find this teaching of the so-called eternal recurrence, which would seem to be a kind of I don't know, when regarded over and against the notion of the amor fati, this loving of fate. So the loving of fate is like ich will, I have the will for it, I want it. The loving of fate, it's a motive force. I'm drawing towards something, a goal. Say, I see the Golden Pavilion, as in Ikkyo Mishima's play, reflected in the waters that stand before that temple, such that it draws me into the possibility of injecting different rates of speed, of emotion, of interpretations of the symbols which have not yet been discovered, of the flesh, of the power of words to eat away at the stomach, so far as the stomach is objectivity, and the words are the stomach acids, which even eat away at the stomach, because they're both material objects. Seen from this question of what here is the basic element, which is most self-evident, we can see a spaltung or split between two basic positions in philosophic thinking.